Hey darlings, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sophie Joan, and today I'm going to be doing a beautiful Valentine's look full of red. So please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. So without much further ado, let's get straight. So before I start off today, I'm going to clean my face wise because I like to start off with a really clean face. Brush my brows with my spoolie, then I'm going in with my Dabby's eyebrow pencil to fill my brows in. So my brows are already kind of neat, so it won't really be much of a hassle to fill it in.
Let your blessings let it follow me. Let everything make it work for me.
Now I'm just cleaning up my brows with my Milani concealer. So I'm blending all of this concealer in with a flat brush. Now I'm going to my USHAS concealer palette. I'm going to be using this concealer shade to prime my eyelids. I'm not using my angled brush just to apply this concealer all over my eyelids. Blending all of this concealer in with my beauty blender. Then after I'm done blending this in, I'm going to be setting it with my black opal finishing powder, just so I don't end up with oily eyelids. My first transition color, I'm going with this orange shade. I'm going to be applying this all over my crease. So I just dab some of the orange onto my brush, and I'm just going back and forth. I'm going to be applying this smoky brown shade above the orange, just to deepen the color on my crease and to get my transition color. Now I'm going to do the glitter glue because I'm going to be working with glitter today. I'm not going to be applying this glitter glue everywhere I'd like to put glitter. So I'm using this beautiful red glitter today because it's Valentine. So I'm just going to dab as much as I can on my brush. Then I'm just going to be putting this where I put my glitter glue.
Let your blessings let it follow me.
I'm just priming my face with my Kiss Beauty primer. Like, this primer also acts as a moisturizer. It's one of my favorites so far. So I'm just rubbing this primer into my skin. Before I apply my lashes, I'm going in with my mascara just so my false lashes would easily fit onto my roll lashes. So I'm going with my Lumé lashes today, since I'm looking down in the mirror, just so it's easier to fix.
It's exclusive at streetloader.com.
Before I use eyeliner, I'm going in with some paper tape. So basically, I always like to use paper tape because it actually reduces the risk of mistakes when using eyeliner. Like, the eyeliner just takes the shape of the paper tape. So I'm going to be using my Absolute eyeliner today.
Make it work for me, holy water for my head, I tell poverty make it live my life. No pushing like holy water, touch my life, give me the joy, and they ask for holy water, touch my life, give me the joy, and they ask for. Let your blessings, let
streetloader.com.
it follow me. Let everything make you work for me, oh, 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 yeah. Holy water for my head, yo. I daily poverty make you live my life.
Now I'm going in with this bright shade from my Sweet Rose palette. I'm just applying this to my inner that just to give my eye a kind of glow. So I'm using this orange concealer from my Romantic palette. I'm just going to be applying this wherever I have discolorations or acne, just so I'll be able to cover up the skies. So now I'm going to my Zara Girl USA foundation. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. Now I'm going to be blending it with my brush, my Huda Beauty foundation brush. So I'm using my Eyelids Pro Concealer to highlight my face today. I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, my jaw, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. So I'm just spraying my blue blender before I use it to blend, just so it blends in more smoothly. So I'm just blending all of this concealer into my skin.
Nobody know God's plan. Nobody know God's plan. Oh, like that. See me not chilling with you, Baba. Like a star, then sweet, nana.
Now I'm just going to set all of this with my Benign Luxury powder just so it doesn't crease. Personally, I don't like to bake, so I'm just brushing off the excess powder.
Streetloader.com.
Now to contour, I'm going with my Blossom Pro Concealer. This is like concealer in a really dark shade. So I'm just applying this in the hollows of my cheek, my forehead, my jaw, and on my nose. I'm going to be using my blue blender once more to blend this in. So I'm blending this upwards because I don't want to make my face look longer.
For my head, yo. I tell poverty make you live my life. No push like me, oh. Below, leave me for the maker. All because I'm not free for that visa. No God's plan.
To blend the contour on my nose, I'm going in with a smaller brush just because I feel I have more control over what I'm doing with a smaller brush than for blue blender. Just going over everywhere I contoured with a powdered contour.
Just last week I got a new Ferrari. Oh Lord, show me your mercy. I do got there come my baby love. It's all there come my show me, but yeah, you come my jet to me. I do barika come my jet to me. Let your blessings let it follow me. Let everything make you work for me. Oh, 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 yeah.
So for my blush, I'm using this red blush. For my Romantic palette, I'm just going to be applying this above my contour.
Let your blessings let it follow me.
To highlight my face, I'm using this highlighter shade from my USHAS highlighter palette. I'm just going to be applying this above my blush. So this is like one of my favorite parts, like, you know, dark glow.
Streetloader.com.
I'm going to be applying this highlighter on my forehead and on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to be applying this everywhere I want a glow, and also on my cupid's bow. This is using my Morgan Girl lip liner today to line my lip. This is lip liner. It's really shade coffee. Today I'm going in with a red lipstick, you know, to complement the Valentine. I'm just going to be applying this matte lipstick all over my lips.
your blessings, let
NIGERIAN.
it follow you. Let everything make you work for me.
I'm going to be using this orange eyeshadow on my lids just to give it a lighter look in the middle. So now that I'm done, I'm going to spray my face with my Kiss Beauty Green Tea Setting Spray. So there we have it, the finished, final, beautiful red look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out my other video, my beginner feeling video. So bye.